The world has changed, and so have commercial restrooms. That's why Excel Dryer partnered with MetrixLab to conduct a groundbreaking global study, surveying over 4,000 participants across the US, Europe, and Asia. When it comes to cleanliness and hygiene, the verdict is clear. 100% agree that a dirty restroom reflects poorly on the establishment. 80% of those surveyed might not or would not return to a restaurant with a dirty restroom. And the number one factor contributing to a dirty restroom is paper towels on the floor or overflowing trash cans. Let's follow the paper trail. What did we learn? Facility managers and restaurant owners have noticed increased impact of a dirty bathroom on repeat business, increased demand for touchless features, and increased use of the restroom. What matters most to facility managers and restaurant owners when specifying hand drying solutions? Hand hygiene, touchless operation, and restroom maintenance. And here's something big. 75% of US consumers now wash their hands up to 10 times a day, a major increase since pre-pandemic days. If you're using paper towels, that's 10 times the cost, labor, maintenance, carbon footprint, and waste. What's more, touchless solutions are preferred by 89% of consumers. Now more than ever, it's essential for businesses to deliver a hygienic, touchless restroom experience powered by high-efficiency Excel hand dryers that not only meet but exceed customer expectations. Excel Dryer. Time to throw in the towel.